Donuts here. Today I want to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. All you need is at least 70% rubbing alcohol and aloe vera and a teaspoon. And if you need to dilute your rubbing alcohol, it's best to use distilled water. Here I have pre-diluted 70% rubbing alcohol. All you need is a tablespoon if you don't have a measuring spoon. WHO calls for a recipe of 9 parts alcohol and 1 part aloe. What that really translates to is 3 tablespoons of alcohol for 1 teaspoon of aloe. Now since we want to make more of it, and since 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, we're just gonna use 3 times that method. So 3 times 3 tablespoons is 9 tablespoons of alcohol and 1 tablespoon of aloe. I first pour some rubbing alcohol into a small bowl. Then I'll open up the container I got from IKEA. I'll be mixing everything in here. The aloe vera can be very sticky, so make sure you have an item to use to scrape the spoon and to get it all in there. Then I decided to use a smaller spoon to mix everything up. Then I repeated those steps to make another portion to fill up the bottle. The end result is gonna be a little bit more watery than what you're used to. That's it. Like and comment. Let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching.